If you drink pineapple water in the morning, amazing things will happen to your body. According to Ayurvedic philosophy, choices made in terms of your daily routine can either build up resistance to a certain disease or completely knock it down. This is the reason why everyone should start making healthy rituals, such as drinking pineapple water as part of their morning ritual. It offers a wide range of health benefits, and here are 10 reasons to drink pineapple juice daily. 1. Fights inflammation. Bromelain found in pineapples possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties and is known to help the body remove toxins by combating inflammation that affects all organs and tissues within the body. Eating pineapple on a regular basis can be very beneficial in the treatment of sport injuries and arthritis by reducing both pain and inflammation. 2. Helps with weight loss. Thanks to its fiber content, pineapple takes more time to digest, which in turn causes longer feeling of satiety. Thiamine accelerates the metabolism by turning carbs into energy, and studies show that drinking pineapple water in the morning helps prevent fat and sugar cravings later in the day. 3. Flushes parasites from liver and intestines. As discussed earlier, bromelain possesses many beneficial properties, among which is its anti-parasitic activity. According to a few sources, 3-day pineapple fast kills off tapeworms. 4. Regulates the thyroid. Both bromelain and iodine in pineapples are effective in alleviating symptoms associated with thyroiditis as well as improving various autoimmune disorders. 5. Balances electrolytes. Potassium contained in pineapple strengthens the body and helps maintain adequate balance of electrolytes in the body, preventing injuries and cramps. 6. Gets rid of heavy metals and toxins. The fiber content as well as the many enzymes and antioxidants help detoxify the body from heavy metals and toxic matter. 7. Works as a digestive aid. Bromelain improves the digestion of proteins and thus works as digestive aid. 8. Improves vision. As mentioned in the very beginning, pineapple contains vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are beneficial for eyesight. According to a study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology, eating 3 servings of pineapple daily lowers the risk of macular degeneration, the major cause of vision loss in elderly. 9. Strengthens gums and helps whiten and preserve teeth. It has been scientifically shown that bromelain acts as natural stain remover. It also combats plaque effectively. 10. Prevents cancer. According to a research published in the journal Planta Medica, bromelain was even more effective than chemotherapy drug 5-fluorouracil in treating cancer in an animal study. This anti-tumoral effect of bromelain was superior to that of 5-fluorouracil, whose survival index was approximately 263% relative to the untreated control, the researchers noted. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.